Ready to explore and reveal? Dive into today's question and uncover the answers together.
Beating the casino at roulette is a tall order, given the game's built-in house edge. The American roulette wheel, with its extra 00 slot, gives the house a 5.26% advantage, while the European version reduces this slightly to 2.7% due to having one less slot. While no foolproof strategy guarantees victory, players can improve their chances by opting for European roulette, managing their bankroll wisely, and sticking to outside bets, which offer better odds. Remember, roulette is a game of chance, and long-term wins against the casino are improbable.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.